So I'm just doing a small revision of what I've been up to today. So the car now starts quite well, runs okay. What I did is I used a bit of a mallet to hammer down the potentiometer. Now the potentiometer is sitting at a visible angle, this side facing down, pointing down, maximum adjustment all the way down, and I can only get the value to here, I'll show you in a bit, to 0.85 of a volt. If I touch here when the engine's running and depress the lever, it stalls very easily. So I would say that these threads here I haven't repaired very well, and that because it stalls here, my plunger height may be a bit high, so it's overacting with the airflow plate. Is pressing too much on the plunger. Now the reason I say all of what I've just said is this is the old fuel distributor, which was leaking from the plunger and had bad flow from the ports to the injectors. This is a spare potentiometer airflow meter that I've got with a potentiometer attached. Now, many months ago I mixed this potentiometer, this airflow meter, sorry, with this fuel distributor, and the car run very, very badly. So now I've set this one up like the one that you've just seen, and got it on the original airflow meter. Now the reason why I'm suspect about the adjustment of the airflow meter potentiometer screws, because I replaced it because it's got some wear on the tracks. Can you see there where my finger is? Now these these screws here, M3.5. The previous owner, in their infinite wisdom, had glued the bolts in, so as I unscrewed them they snapped. So I manufactured these are M4 bolts with the thread removed to allow me to have adjustment on the potentiometer. Now it seems apparent that the airflow potentiometer here is unable to achieve full calibration, because the hole centers must be off, because it was quite difficult to drill the holes because there aren't many flat surfaces on here to clamp using a pillar drill. So now I have a situation where I've got this voltage here is dropping, probably because the temperature is a little bit low. I can rev the engine. A little bit low from the RPM for a second there. Just a little bit low. If I touch here, see? So I suspect this is sticking out too far, and yeah. But now I've managed to get this value down, and this will steadily drop now. It'll take a while, but it will drop down to about 0.825, 0.85, which is almost in calibration spec. You see there where my fingers are. Obviously the temperature has to be 80 degrees, and you have to take my word for it that it is just over. But the RPM just gets a bit low at times, and then this value takes a little while to return back to its set value, which seems to be about there. Takes a while to drop, and after about 45 seconds of idle it will stabilise at 0.877, and then there you go, it's returning quite quickly now.